This is a room tour of room 321 at the Leonardo Royal Hotel. This is the one at the Tower Bridge. There's more than one of them. So let's start with the restroom because it's right here. And we have a really nice restroom, actually. These are the toiletries that come with it. These are the shaver plugs. You also have a nice mirror and your basic sink, restroom, etc. But this, of course, it has a shower. This is a nice big tub. Look how big that is. It goes way back there. This is like way longer a tub than I'm used to. And it's nice that it has a couple of bars on each side so you can get up and down easier with it. And let's go into the room. So this is a lot like cruise ships where you have to have a card to make the power work. And then these switches are going to work for you. We have a thermostat. And this is the room. It's really nice, actually. This is your basic king room. Over here on the side, you have, of course, UK plugs because we are in the UK. And a couple of drawers. A nice bed. This is our closet area. It's got a nice full-sized ironing board. It has an iron, as well as, I guess that cup is for filling the steam. The stuff in the plastic containers is slippers. This is your, I'm not sure you can see it, it's basically in a bag, but it's a hair dryer, okay? Down here you have laundry, and then you have a place, if you want to, like I have, to put shoes. Okay, and then we have this side, which has some very nice, a tea kettle. Oh, there's quite a shadow from my camera. So there's a tea kettle and fixings, including some biscuits, some sugar, and all the other good things, plus a couple of kinds of glasses if you want them. And then on the bottom, we have the very large in-room mini bar, which is charged automatically to your room, and it's locked, so if you want to have it unlocked, you have to ask them for that, which I think is a really good precaution. And then over here, we've got an espresso machine, along with some pods and cups. We have water, which is not free. Oh no, that one is. So these two waters are free, but the stuff in the minibar, of course, is not. Look again at the power situation. You can see we have plugs. We have a USB-A, and it's all, of course, the British system, as you would expect, being in Great Britain. And then on this one, we have the phone, and then the same power arrangement and the same end table arrangement. And yeah, that's it. We got a little light there, but no chair or anything. And this is the room. Solo Sue signing off.